Hi guys, thanks for joining me today on my channel. Really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing great. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Karen and we're going to go ahead and get started on this eye look. It's what I considered a wearable kind of yellow eye look that I'm doing. I think that it's, if you're going to say yellow eyeshadow, I think it's one of the more wearable ones out there, and I think it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to show you how to get this look, and I only used 4 eyeshadows for this, so not complicated at all, actually extremely easy. And so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that I have you right up in my face, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to try my best to stay in frame. I tend to go forward and look in this mirror, and I'm going to try real hard to look in my hand mirror. So I'm going to start off with, I'm going to use the shade Desert Sands from Makeup Geek. It's a single shadow, as you can tell. I hit pan on it. I will always list all the products in the bar below, so make sure you pull it down and look at it. I'm going to take a crease brush, a big crease brush. This is a Smith 235, and I am going to pick up some of that Desert Sands, and I'm going to put that as a transition shade. I'm going to take a little bit more, a smaller version, and go into the shade Tan Lines from Makeup Geek. And I'm going to do that one more concentrated just on my crease. Now I'm going to the other side, same thing with Desert Sands. I'm going to be going really high and just giving it a nice wash from the inner to the outer. As you could tell on me, this is just a little bit darker than my skin tone. On someone that's more fair, they want to go with something a little lighter because it'd be too dark. Then I'm taking that smaller brush with a little bit of Tan Lines. Okay, now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm going in with that bright yellow, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. I'm going to take a flat brush. And I'm taking my time with it because it's very pigmented. Like that. Now I'm going to do the other eye the same way. See, that is what I was going for. It's pretty even. Okay, so now comes the fun part. Now I'm going to take some of my heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay. This is a Midnight Cowboy. And I'm going to very carefully and precisely, it's a little like eyeliner type thing, and I'm going to put that only on the center of the lids. Pretty fun, huh? Okay, so now I'm going to leave you for a minute. I'm going to put on my mascara, my lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So first let me say I totally forgot the first part of my eye tutorial. I didn't have my lights on. I hope the footage comes out okay. I apologize for that, but I got my act together and now the light's on. So let me tell you what I ended up doing. So I left you with putting the glitter on my eye, and I got that all done. Then I went ahead and used just a black pencil, tight lined, water lined, put on my lashes. Today I'm using Koko lashes in Mila. And so I did that, mascara, top and bottom, and then I took just a little smudger brush. Let me show you what one I used. I just used this one, which is a small crease brush, but I just used this pretty dense brush, and I put both those, not the yellow shade, but the two Makeup Geek ones, Tan Lines and Desert Sands, on the bottom lash line just to give it a little something down there. Then I just put an inner corner highlight on, and I put on a lipstick. Today's lipstick is Bite Beauty's Amuse Bouche lipstick in Honeycomb. Like I said, I'll leave everything in the description box below. So, you know, I think to myself, you know, oh, I'm going to wear yellow eyeshadow, and immediately everyone's thinking, you know, bright neon and how that could go really bad really fast. But I think this is extremely wearable. I've worn this eye look probably a half dozen times already. I get compliments on it all the time because it's a yellow, but it's a wearable yellow. It's almost got like a little bit of mustard to it. I have on a yellow shirt today. It complements it very well without being too over the top and going like neon. I think the little bit of glitter on the eyeshadow kind of gives it a little bit of a brightening effect, and I think it's really fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to leave me a comment, please do so in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Try this look out. Let me know how it goes. Bye, guys.